My sweetheart.
Yes.
Wish you were here next to me.
Oh my God.
So that I could just see your smiling face early in the morning.
Oh.
Babes, I want to wish you a lovely morning. Start your day with that brighter cheer. Good morning, my happiness.
Wewe.
Waigua? Omuthi rucini.
Ngai. Ucio ni God sent.
Kana thaa 3:43. Ndiramenya no. Ajira atiriri. If you are a prize, my love, I'll do anything to take you home, darling.
Mwetie 200.
If you are a medal, I'll work hard
to fight
to earn you, sweetheart. If you are a flower, I'll be watering you daily for you to grow beautifully and smell well, my queen. I love you, sweetie.
We kuma hinde ya tene Adamu arutwo rubaru kihu kiari kionereria ti oru kwendana kana kwendwo iyo ni ndari yaku ya gwithurira iguru ni kuikaina ni hari mundu itaga ndari ucio ungemburaga ni kwenda ucio ni God sent mucarie take a step
nyuraigwa mastari
ndarakwira ritwa
dio no in fact I wish I knew
ona na githungu kiu ni muthomu githungu kiu ni muthomu na ni araigua kena indo ungana mundu arakwira ati I can do anything
ngiacie mbothe muno
ona message kunene ho ni Indones ona message nene ho ndaika o message ya kwandika ndaika 20 ri iyo ni Indones wina muthuri
ugikiraga to emojis twa wendo karora
no wanora kugia mundu wa baba no wanora kugia
na roses
uyo ndungemukinyira ni wa mi do you love yourself? Are you ready to bear the fruits?
Yeah, na ndumaraigwa keikina goko mundu akaimagine
urauga we
and waking next to me
mwana ndo
reka toina rora gatara ki
ndo komaga nigetha atiri gutuika ni waking
na ukoma niki kiaria siheane
mwana ni 2 hours
Shesheni hakuhe nawe.